Well, folks, as you can see, I love my dog. Loves to go fishing with me. I like having him some days. Anyway, got a little DIY shelter for him on the boat, and maybe we'll give you a little view into what it looks like. So tag along, and I'll try and set it up and make it look pretty good, and try not to screw up too much. So here we go. So here we go. This is the tarp, that kind of thing. What I have is a frame system that supports this particular tarp system or whatever. It came off an old fishing flip up. I can't remember the name of it, but it was red anyway, and it had a frame system in it. You just flip it over for two people. So I DIY'd it a little bit and see how it works on the water actually. Maybe this afternoon, maybe tomorrow for sure. So here we go. It's kind of like it just fits right in here. What we do is try and pull this back nicely. Kind of thing. Two people is making it a lot easier, of course. Once you get it going, it's not too bad. Haven't quite figured out if I'm going to do anything with that specific spot. So I may just drill holes in the deck. But for now, that kind of fits right in there. And I take these supports and I hook them up into here, which adds a lot of rigidity to the frame itself. And same thing on the other side. Just happens to be holes in the right place, or everything works out anyway as far as that goes. So it's got a nice, good solid bit of wobble, but once I throw a tarp over top, that should stabilize that up. Well, pretty easy system. I don't think this makes any difference. There is a window on one side. So then we'll throw that over that side. Like and so. Just got a couple little hooks here that frame. Same on the other side. It'd be a lot easier if I'm in the boat, but tall enough that I can handle it. Same kind of thing on this side. And then we just give a little snug pull. I got a couple more bungee cords here. And they're going to hook right in there. So that's basically it. You're gonna have half and half on here. So she's good and strong. Maybe modifications later down the road, I'm not sure. But as you can see, it gives shade from probably most sides, depending on how I position the boat, I would think. So there you go, a little DIY. I may change this out for rope. It depends. But that'll be it for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.